Hey, fellow biker, what up? Okay, you're gonna come to a complete stop. Should we try it? Yeah, let's try. Let's try. Oh yeah.
First of all, the motorized equipment is not allowed here.
What's going on, YouTube? SRTA Boost out on a Sunday ride. Thought I'd bring you with me, have some fun, you know what I mean? Go check out, like, all leaves are kind of starting to turn. I know it's a little bit early, but whatever, it's all good. Anyway, I just thought we'd go enjoy the day, right? But you know, unfortunately, it's Sunday, and for some reason, there's freaking so many goddamn cars on the road. I just don't get it. Usually these roads are dead. Oh, alright, cool. Okay, we got two that are, well, we're -2. Okay, you're gonna come to a complete stop. That feels better. Just get that out of my system. Hey, fellow biker, what up? What up? I had one guy right here on this turn. He's like, on a short I made, he's like, learn to turn. Left me a message like that. I'm like, what? I guess he doesn't realize that I have like a 4 or 5 foot pole off the back of my car, and if I turn too fast or too tight, it's gonna just fall sideways. But you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that there. Oh, it was fun. I love that little part there. That's the closest twisty I'm gonna get to my house. Today I'm like, I'm trying to prep a ride. I'm like, okay, let's see. I got a little bit of time, you know. Let me see where I can take you. Anyway, so I'm like looking on the map. You know, I know of some cool places, but like I said, they are friggin' far, man. And you know, time. You need time, right? That's the whole thing. So, you know, I do apologize. I wish I could take you guys to those places, but it's having a kid and all, and you know, your schedule with your life and everything else. It's hard to get out there, right? Like, you got to drive an hour or ride an hour for God's sakes, and then you got to do an hour ride over there and then ride all the way back. I don't know how many tanks of gas that is, but so, you know, give you all that. All that and a bag of potato chips. A lot of cyclists out today. I mean, I guess it's not really a lot. I only saw like 3. This guy's going at good speed. I'm happy with him. But you know something? What should we do here? What should we do? Should we go back that way, or should we go down my favorite road? Or my new favorite road? Yeah, let's do it. Let's friggin' do it. Anyway. Oh, look at that. I was just going to turn the camera off, but no need for that. That's it. Take your time. Don't worry. Guy on a bike here. It's not a big deal. You know, the problem today is, you know, from a distance, it's so hard to tell if there's a police officer or not. You know, like a long time ago when it was they were just driving like a Tahoe or a friggin' Crown Victoria. It was like so easy to spot them from ways away. Now it's like, well, they got LED lights. They have like all the same as all the other cars. So like, what do? You see other cars, you kind of chill a little bit, right? So, I mean, if this was me probably 20 years ago, I'd probably just, I don't care, and just rah, go. But yeah. You know what? Let's go down this way. I haven't done this in a really long ass time. We used to come down this road a long time ago, because legend had it that on this road there was a friggin' house way down at the end there. Again, you know, it's like old wives' tales kind of. Oh, there's a lot of red squirrels running around here. That's pretty cool. Anywho, so it was like a haunted house way down at the end here, and apparently the guy had killed this whole family or something like that. I don't know. He was like a doctor. Who knows? Who knows? I'm not 100% certain if that's true or not. This is a really windy ass road. God damn. It's actually kind of fun. Except for the leaves on the road, but anywho, it's just a nice road. So again, I don't know if those stories are accurate or not. Word has it was in this area over here where it says like no trespassing, private property, you're not allowed. Right? Oh, I'm fucking so. Oh, it doesn't say any no motorized vehicles. Bylaw. Maximum fine, $5,000. Wasn't that interesting? Huh. Should I fucking do it? I mean, you know. Should we try it? Yeah. I think I can squeeze through that shit. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, yeah. Oh, it does. It works. Okay, let's just keep it quiet, though. Oh my god, I've always wanted to go down here. I don't know if I'm allowed to, but I guess that's what makes it fun. You don't have no dirt tires, so my luck, there's gonna be like a friggin' police presence over here or something. Oh my god, this is friggin' awesome. I walked this like a long time ago. Again, in search for that house, right? I was like really into that shit a long time ago, but yeah, never rode on it. This is just like a service road or something? How's it going? Huh. Hey man, where does this go?
First of all, the motorized equipment is not allowed here.
Oh no, eh? Oh, it doesn't say any, no motorized vehicles.
For people and for bikes.
Oh! Yeah, this isn't even a dirt bike, man. I just saw the road. I'm like, I always wanted to come see down here, right?
Bicycle, then you can explore.
How far does it go?
It goes through here, through bunch of forest.
Yeah.
Road.
Oh, yeah, eh?
This one I don't know.
Never went that way? No?
No, I'm just second time here. I just
Oh, try it, man. See how it is. Right? I feel like you need a GPS. No?
You can't get lost here.
Okay. Oh, so it's like a loop.
And the other way.
That's cool.
But you can't be here on a motor.
You can't be anywhere on a motorcycle. That's what makes it fun. Okay, anyway, have a good day. See it that one time. You can't be anywhere on moto. Holy fuck, look at that goddamn cliff, eh? Oh, there's like a fucking stream down there. That's wild. Alright. No dirt tire, take it easy. I mean, mind you, I always see like Jixer Raw and Pulso Hard, those guys doing this shit on a freaking slicker tire than I got. Oh, that's a little trail over there too. That's cool. Oh man, I would so ride my dirt bike through here. This would be freaking awesome. Alright, okay. Thread that needle, baby. Oh yeah, right through. Boop. Nice homes in here though. I guess that's all government property out there. Also, you know what's funny? All the signs say no. It doesn't say anything about no motorized vehicle. So I mean, that guy can suck it. But whatever. I went through. I don't care. I'm happy. I walked up here one time. I got some cool pictures. It just kind of, I don't know if anybody ever watched that Skinwalker Ranch shit. I went like way out in the middle down that way, up on the hill there, and I had some crazy pictures. Like, I got a bug right in my fucking eye. That's what I get for not putting my visor down. Anyway, had some crazy pictures of like, I can't even begin to explain it. Like just shit like coming out of the ground. It looked like friggin'. I can't explain it. Looked like fog raising out of the ground, but it was like so perfect, and they looked like how do I say it? Like this bug in my eye is driving me nuts. Like perfect circular poles, like cylindrical, you know? And yeah, just wild. Remember getting home, looking at the pictures, and it looked like there was clouds over top of us too. And you know, I wonder if I could find those. That'd be so cool. That's friggin', I couldn't even tell you how many damn years ago. But anyway, cool shit. Interesting stuff down that street. Reminds me of that Skinwalker Ranch show. I don't know if anybody ever watched that. Great show, if you're into that. I obviously am. Oh my god. Friggin' bug is just rolling around my eye. Super fun. Film studios? Yeah. Trying to make my eye cry so the damn thing comes out. Fuck's sake. Alright, come on. Make some damn room. Gotta get past the turtles. Bye-bye. Anyway, I'm going to cut this one off here, and I will, I'll see you guys at the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And take care.